Children, in the last video, we learnt more about reading time in the watch by some interesting examples. In this video, we will see some common mistakes related to it. Chanda's magic watch disappeared. But where did the watch finally go? What's this? Babban found the magic watch? Once again, the angel appeared in front of Babban. She told Babban the same thing about the watch which she had told Chanda. On wearing the magical shoes, Babban will reach the world exactly at 12 o'clock. Which has his favorite item. There, he will have till 2 p.m. And during that time, he can collect as many things as he wants and bring with him. Saying this, the angel also gave Babban the new magical shoes. The time in Babban's watch was this. Babban thought that it was 11 hours 15 minutes in his watch. Thinking of this, Babban quickly put on his magical shoes. He stayed for a long time, but no magic happened, and he stayed in his house. But why did it happen? Children, can you tell what mistake Babban has made? When Babban saw the time in the clock, the needles of the watch were like this. Can you tell what time it is in the watch? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. That's correct. The hour needle is between 3 and 4. So it was past 3 o'clock. And the minute needle is on number 11. So 11 times 5 is 55 minutes. In this way, the time in the watch is 3 hours 55 minutes. And Babban saw the time as 11 hours 15 minutes. Can you tell where the needles of the watch need to be to show the time as 11 hours 15 minutes? That's correct. At 11 hours 15 minutes, the hour needle is between 11 and 12, and the minute needle will be at 15 divided by 5, that is number 3. Now can you tell by looking at these two watches what mistake has Babban made? Yes, Babban replaced the hour needle with the minute needle, and minute needle replaced by the hour needle to see time in the watch. So Babban saw the wrong time. Children, keep in mind, whenever you look at the time in the watch, identify the minute and hour needle properly and then guess the time. It's finally 12 o'clock and Babban reached a world which was full of bananas. Babban became very excited. He quickly started eating bananas. Babban was so happy that he did not care about time, and he kept eating bananas. Then, when Babban's stomach was full, he started feeling very sleepy. When Babban saw the time in the watch, the needles of the watch were like this. Babban thought that the hour needle between 1 and 2 is very close to 2. Hence, 2 hours have passed and the minute needle is on number 10, or 10 times 5, 50 minutes have passed. So the time is now 2 hours and 50 minutes. Babban thought that the angel has allowed him to stay there only, because it's already 2 hours and 50 minutes and he was still there. After thinking this, Babban fell asleep peacefully. Children, has Babban seen the correct time in the watch? No. Babban has made a mistake. What mistake has Babban made? Absolutely right. Babban was wrong about the hour. What is the time if the hour needle was between 1 and 2? Exactly, 1 hour. But Babban understood it as 2 hours. Children, remember that whenever the hour needle is between any two numbers, we always have to take the smaller number of those numbers in the hour count. What is the right time this? Yes, the exact time has been 1 hour 50 minutes. When Babban woke up, he found himself in his house. Because Babban saw the time in the watch wrong, and shortly after Babban went to sleep, it was 2 o'clock and he returned to his house. Babban became depressed for a while. But then he saw the angel had placed a lot of bananas in a basket beside him. Babban started dancing happily after seeing this. Children, in this video, we learnt about some common mistakes related to telling time.